Hey! Welcome to Pamati Tutorial. Makinig, manood, at matuto. Again, our topic for this video is the division of polynomials with Sir Roy Pamati Tutorial. And let's proceed. The objective for this video: illustrate the steps in dividing polynomials, divide polynomials, apply the laws of exponents in dividing polynomials. Okay, review muna tayo. Siyempre, alam natin, we've discussed the different laws of exponents last time, and the description below. Nandun ang video na, description ng video for the laws of exponents. Okay, which is using the different quotients. Okay, let's have here the examples. Number 1, x raised to 5 over x raised to 4. The first thing, if we will have this one, is we need to subtract the exponents. Okay, and the answer is x, because 5 minus 4 is 1, then the answer is x. Okay, x raised to 5 over x raised to 8, then you will have 5 minus 8. Then you will have the exponent, which is negative 3. If the exponent is negative 3 or the negative, then you will have your 1 over x cubed. Okay. Third, x raised to 5 over x raised to 5. Then subtract the exponent, you will have your x raised to 0. If the exponent is 0, then the answer is 1. Okay. And that is the different laws of exponent. Pwede natin yung magamit. Always remember, we need to subtract those exponents. And then, if it is negative, it goes like this. Okay, ganyan siya. 1 over the answer. Then the exponent become positive. Then, if the exponent is 0, then the answer is okay. Now, the first one is division of polynomial by a monomial. Okay, polynomial by a monomial. Siyempre, isa-isa lang muna tayo. Monomial. Example, 8x squared minus 6x plus 10 all over 2. Okay, ang mangyayari, isa-isahin natin yan. 8x squared, okay, over 2. Then, negative 6x over 2. Then, plus 10 over 2. Then, kasunod, syempre, we will have this. It becomes 8 divided by 2. What is 8 divided by 2? You will have here 4. Then copy our literal coefficient, which is x squared. Next, negative 6 divided by 2. Or 6 divided by 2, then you will have here subtract. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then copy the literal coefficient, which is x. Then plus 10 divided by 2, you will have here 5. Therefore, 8x squared minus 6x plus 10 all over 2, the answer is 4x squared minus 3x plus 5. Okay, ganun lang siya. Isa-isahin natin both each term sa numerator, then by our denominator. Okay, then divide the numerical. Or if we will have here a variable, using the laws of. Okay, number 2 example. We'll have 12x cubed plus 16x squared plus 24x all over 4x. The same. I-divide natin each term na numerator by our denominator. Ganyan ang mangyayari. Plus 16x squared divided by 4x. Then plus 24x over 4x. Next, 12 divided by 4 is 3. Then x cubed over x is, subtract the exponent, 3 minus 1 is 2. Therefore, 3x squared. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Next, you will have here x squared divided by x. Subtract the exponent, 2 minus 1. Then you will have here 4x. Okay, next, you will have 24. 24 divided by 4 is 6. Then x over x, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Then if the exponent is 0, the answer is 1. 6 times 1 is 6. Therefore, the answer is 3x squared plus 4x plus 6. Okay, that is how to multiply by a polynomial, how to divide a polynomial by a monomial. Next, example number 3. Example like this. Okay, the same. Each term divide by our denominator. Minus 24x raised to 5, yz raised to 4, then like that. Okay, divide by our denominator. Then, isa-isahin natin yan. After, 16 divided by 4 is 4. Then, you will have here 3. Our exponent is 2. Therefore, 3 minus 2, you will have here 1. Then, 2 minus 1, merong 1 dyan. Therefore, 2 minus 1, you will have here 1. Then, 5 minus 3, then you will have here 2. Then, minus 24 divided by 4 is 6. Then, 5 minus 2 is 3. Y, okay, pwede natin tawagin cancel. It means na wala siya. Or, applying the loss, 1 minus 1, it means 0. Then, ganun siya, mayayari. Naging 1. Then, 4 minus 3, then you will have your 1. Merong 1 dyan. Next, 44 plus 44 divided by 4 is 11. Then, 7 minus 2 is 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. 6 minus 3 is 3. Therefore, if we will divide 16x cubed, y squared z raised to 5 minus 24x raised to 5, y z raised to 4 plus 44, z raised to 7, y raised to 6, z raised to 6, all over 4x squared y z cubed. The answer is 4xyz squared minus 6x cubed z plus 11x raised to 5, y raised to 5, z cubed. Okay, that is how to divide a polynomial by a monomial. Okay, how about if we will divide a polynomial by another polynomial? Okay, example, if we will have this, make sure that both the dividend and the divisor are in the standard form. Also insert zeros for missing term. Okay, that is for our condition. Okay, standard form. Remember, it must be arranged in descending order. Galing sa pinakamalaki na degree of terms or degree of terms hanggang sa pinakamaliit na degree. Okay? Then, if there would be lacking kapag pag-arrange tayo, insert tayo ng 0. Okay, later on, we will have example of that. Example number 1 tayo. Example like this. 6x squared minus 2x minus 28 divided by 2x plus 4. Okay. Then, pinakamadaling gawin, we will use the division house. Ayan, division house. Yan ang pinakamadaling nating gawin. Okay, ang susunod na mangyayari is we will divide this. Our first term, okay, that would be our first term divided by the first term of our divisor. It means 6 divided by 2, you will have here 3. Okay? Change muna tayo ng kulay. Okay? We will have here 3. Then, x squared divided by x, the answer is x. Ayan siya. Then, after that, kapag meron na tayong quotient dito, di ba, the rule is we will multiply this one to the divisor. Okay? It means 3 times 2 is 6. Then, x times x is x squared. Then, 3 times 4 is positive 12. And then, we have here x. Ang kasunod niyan is we need to subtract. Diba? That is the law of division using the division house. 6 minus 6 is 0. Negative 2 minus positive 12. The answer is negative 14x. Okay, ganun ang mangyayari. Negative 14x. Then, after that, bring down negative 28. Bring down natin negative 28. Next, our first term here, yun lang always natin tandaan. Okay? We'll have your first term which is negative 14x. I-divide na naman natin sa first term ng ating divisor which is 2x. It means negative 14 divided by 2 is negative 7. X divided by x, the answer is 1. Therefore, 1 times 7 is 7. Means negative 7, negative 7 times 2 is negative 14. Then, meron tayong x. Next, negative 7 times positive 4. Negative times positive is negative. Then, you will have here 28. Then, after that, we will subtract. Negative 14 minus negative 14, the answer is 0. Negative 28 minus negative 28, the answer is 0. Therefore, 6x squared minus 2x minus 28 divided by 2x plus 4, the quotient is 3x minus 7. Okay, that is how to divide polynomial by another polynomial. We are using the division house. Okay, example tayo, number, ayan siya. Next, number 2. In number 2 example, 3x cubed minus 4x squared plus 2x minus 3 divided by x plus 2. Okay, again, our rule natin, our first term divided by our first term. Okay, dito natin isulat yan ha. X cubed divided by x. Okay, it means x, 3 minus 1, therefore x, then raised to the power of 2 or x squared. Therefore, you will have here x squared. Okay, next, x squared, multiply na naman natin. X squared times x, then you will have here x cubed. Ayan siya. X squared times positive 2, it means positive 2x squared. Then, subtract. X cubed minus x cubed is 0. Negative 4x squared minus 2x squared. The answer is negative 6x squared. And then, bring down positive 2x. Ayan siya. Then, our first term, again, our first term is negative 6x squared and x. So, dito natin. So, let's try to solve. Negative 6x squared divided by x. Then, negative 6x, 2 minus 1. They will have negative 6x. Okay? Meron na tayong negative 6x. Okay, negative 6x. Ayan siya. Next, negative 6x times x is negative 6x squared. Negative 6x plus 2 is negative 12x. Then, subtract. Negative 6x squared minus negative 6x squared is 0. 2x minus negative 12x. Okay, negative at saka negative, magiging positive yan. Therefore, you will have positive 14x. Then, bring down negative 3. Our first term again is negative, positive 14x. Ayan siya. then divided by to the first term of our divisor. It means 14x divided by x is equal to 14. Then x minus 1 minus 1. Then you will have 14x raised to 0. Then 14 times 1. Then you will have here 14. Therefore, the answer is positive 14. 14 times x is 14x. Then 14 times positive 2 is positive 28. Then subtract. 14 minus 14x is 0. Negative 3 minus negative 28. A positive 28, that is negative 31. Okay, we have our remainder. Okay, since we have our remainder, hindi natin pwede sulat r negative 3. Ang gagawin natin, we will have here plus negative 31 divided by our divisor x plus 2. Therefore, the quotient for this is 3x squared, x squared minus 6x plus 14 plus negative 31 over x plus 2. Okay, ganon pagsulat kapag meron tayong remainder. Okay, hindi pwede yung r then negative 31. Hindi. Plus our remainder here, negative 31, divided by our divisor. Therefore, the quotient for x cubed minus 4x squared plus 2x minus 3 divided by x plus 2 is x squared minus 6x plus 14 plus negative 31 over x plus 2. Okay, that is how to divide polynomial by another polynomial. Okay, example number 3. Okay, example number 3 tayo. If we will have here 12x cubed plus 24x minus 20 divided by 4x plus 4. Okay, dito yung papasok yung sinabi natin kanina that we will add 0 if there would be lacking. Try to observe on this part. Our exponent is 3, 2, and then 0. Ano yung kulang para ma-arrange natin in descending order? Kulang tayo ng 1. Therefore, kulang tayo ng x raised to 1. Kaya magdadagdag tayo ng 0. Try to observe. 12x cubed plus 24x squared plus 0x. Ito yung dinagdag natin. Okay? Kasi wala yan dito. The exponent here is 1. Then here is 0. Diba? Okay. Then don't worry, kahit nag-add tayo, still the same, 0 pa rin yan. Kinumplete lang natin yung arrangement natin in the standard form para hindi tayo mahihirapan in the next process in the division of polynomials. Okay, divided by 4x plus 4. Okay, then our first term, yan, 12x cubed divided by the first term of the divisor is 4x. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Sulat natin yan. X cubed divided by x is x squared. Kita. Ayan. Then, 3 times 4 is 12. X squared times x is x cubed. Okay, applying tayo dito ng laws of exponent, ng multiplication at saka division. Okay, next, we'll have 3 times 4 is positive 12. Then, x squared. Subtract. 12, 0. 24 minus 12 is positive 12. And then, copy x squared. Bring down 0, 0x. Ayan siya. 0x. Ayan, 0x. Then, 12x squared divided by 4x. 12 divided by 4 is positive 3. Then, x squared divided by x is x. Then 3 times 4 is 12. X times x is x squared. Then 3 times 4 is positive 12. Then you have here x. Then we will subtract. You have 0. 12x squared minus 12x squared is 0. 0 minus 12 is negative 12x. Bring down negative 20. The negative 12x divided by 4 is negative 3. X divided by x is 1. Therefore, you have here negative 3. Negative 3 times 4x is negative 12x. Negative 3 times positive 4 is negative 12. Yan. Subtract. Negative 12x minus negative 12x is 0. Negative 20 minus negative 12. The answer is negative 8. Ayan siya, negative 8. Since we have our remainder always plus, our remainder is negative 8 divided by our divisor is 4x plus 4. Therefore, 12x cubed plus 24x squared minus 20 divided by 4x plus 4, the answer is 3x squared plus 3x minus 3 plus negative 8 all over 4x plus 4. Okay, ganun ka-importante. Bakit tayo nagdagdag ng 0 on this part, 0x, para makumpleto siya. Kung wala itong 0x, mahihirapan tayo in dividing this kind of expression or problem. Okay, that is how to divide a polynomial by another polynomial. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope you've learned how to divide polynomials. Polynomial by a monomial, then polynomial by another polynomial. Thank you for watching Pamati tutorial, makinig, manood, at matuto. See you in the next videos. Goodbye and maraming salamat. Do not forget to like, shares, and subscribe this video and click the notification bell to notify the next videos. Okay, thank you and goodbye. Maraming salamat.